Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are welcome. My name is TaHoney. Today's video is sponsored by Donmily Hair. They sent me this bomb jelly curl wig, y'all, and I will be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this easy beginner friendly look. I definitely love this wig, so let's get right into this video.
He wanna fuck with her. Told me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. What? He wanna fuck with her.
So I will be unboxing the wig with you guys. Inside Donmily, they did send me a few gifts, some lashes, a wig cap, and a wig band, y'all. This is how the wig look. I did not do anything to the wig. Like, I did not bleach it. Literally, I plucked it while it was on my head. I didn't do really nothing to it, like, pre-wise. And this is how it looked. It is jerry curl pattern, y'all. I definitely love this wig. I definitely love it. Like, literally, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. I love the color. Literally, it's definitely giving, you know, Beyonce. Inside, it does have combs so that you can tighten it to your head size, and it also has a black band inside so that you can make it glueless. It is up to you. I also be showing y'all the lace in this wig. I did end up taking out the black lace band because I really didn't need it. I was gluing the lace down instead of doing glueless. And y'all, when I say this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10, I definitely loved it. So let's get right into this video. I will be installing this with y'all. It is beginner friendly, as I mentioned, definitely beginner friendly, and I have worked with Donmily multiple times as well, y'all. They never disappoint. So let's get right into this video.
Until my well runs dry, send all your sins all over me, baby, right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep,
though. Feel it in my body feels that you do know. We'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest tonight. I want it. I want it. Yeah. We'll never fall out of love with you.
So this is the completed look, y'all. I didn't really style it. All I did was literally push it over. I didn't do no part, nothing. I just pushed it over. And I did wet this hair with water and a little bit of mousse, y'all. See the movement definitely was a 10 out of 10. As I mentioned before, I definitely love this wig. Everything about this company will be in the description box, literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with them, y'all. Let them know that I did send you. As I mentioned, I did not bleach the knots on this wig. I literally just put it right on out of the box. And I love it. Like, period. Do not play with that girl. She is not one of them. As I mentioned, everything will be in the description box. Literally everything. Their website. Literally everything, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It will be in the description box below. Period. Go ahead and connect with me. If you haven't checked out my other channel, definitely go check it out. It is in the description box as well, y'all. We at 50K. We're in road to 100K. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.
He wanna fuck with her. Tell me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. What? He wanna fuck with her.